This is the AI News Flash for March 10th, 1 a.m. UTC. First up, Google's Threat Intelligence Group has identified a dangerous new class of AI-powered malware. The malware families, dubbed PROMPTFLUX and PROMPTSTEAL, use large language models during execution to dynamically generate malicious scripts and obfuscate their own code in real time. This makes them extremely difficult to detect with traditional signature-based security tools, as the malicious code is essentially created on the fly by AI. The report also confirms that state-backed threat actors from North Korea, Iran, China, and Russia have fully integrated AI into their attack operations, from reconnaissance to phishing to malware development. Next, Grammarly is facing intense backlash over its new expert review feature, which simulates editing advice from famous writers and scholars without their consent. The feature uses AI to generate feedback under the names of Stephen King, Carl Sagan, tech journalist Kara Swisher, and numerous other public figures, both living and deceased. Academics have called it digital necromancy, criticizing the company for exploiting reputations and intellectual legacies for a product that costs $144 a year, while paying the simulated experts nothing. Grammarly has offered an opt-out mechanism, but critics argue the burden should not be on individuals to prevent unauthorized use of their identities. In financial news, the U.S. Treasury Department is preparing to release 6 AI success manuals designed to help financial institutions adopt AI securely and responsibly. The resources provide practical guidelines covering risk management, compliance frameworks, and best practices for deploying AI across banking and insurance operations. With JP Morgan already running LLMs for over 200,000 employees daily, the financial sector's AI adoption has outpaced regulatory guidance, making these federal-level standards urgently needed. The manuals also address AI-powered fraud detection and digital identity verification as key components of a safer financial ecosystem. Finally, Bloomberg reports that Block CEO Jack Dorsey is walking back his bold claims about AI replacing human workers. Block cut 4,000 employees, roughly half its workforce, in late February, citing an AI-first transformation, which sent the stock surging 24%. However, Dorsey is now showing ambiguity when pressed on whether AI can truly handle the work previously done by those employees. This retreat raises fundamental questions about whether companies that executed massive AI-driven layoffs can actually deliver on the promise of AI-powered operations. That's all for this AI News Flash.